Hello guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
So for today's video, kami ay is that called when you illegally
What's mavlog?
mag-smuggle kami ng turon sa loob ng sine.
Smuggle para import-export lang.
Imported turon. Nandito kami sa landmark. Dito kami lagi nanonood ng sine. Sa landmark in New West. Okay. Maya na uli guys kasi pataas tayo ng Wait, we should count this as exercise.
I know, right?
Yan. Medyo maingay lang talaga here. No. Okay. We're gonna go in. I need my my phone, so maya na ulit. Yan. Cute ng mga stuff. Yan. Bili kami ng drink.
What is that?
Hehe.
Can't get subject on it all.
Yung turon.
You won't be alone.
Tapos na yung movie.
Huwag yun, kasi ang pangit.
Okay, so we're now home. We're home now. And yeah, that's it. That's all we did today. Yung movie na pinanood namin is Dune, the one with Timothée Chalamet and Zendaya and Florence Pugh and a bunch of other people. Tapos kanina na lang kami, plato Filipino for dinner kasi I got off at 4, then I got home at around like 4:50, 4:45. Tapos busy si Kat, and so just enough time lang yung pag-uwi ko and then pagpunta dun sa theater. And so anyways, yeah. So now we're just gonna get ready for the next day. Tomorrow is Thursday, so it's another work day. Nagpapack lang ako ng baons. Okay, so that's tomorrow's baon. Baon ni Kat. Liempo with rice. I guess we should put this one too, no? Okay. Kamayan ko na lang. Yawns. There you go. We're gonna put that in the fridge. Here's our fridge, by the way. So let's do a fridge tour. So this one is suka that my parents made. And then this is leftover adobo from Monday, still good. Eggs here. This is wala na to, siguro bad na to, but it's chocolate. Nung New Year's, ito yung nilagay namin sa mga things. Ito yung guasha pala. I found the guasha. And then, bumili kami ng taho last Friday. This is probably bad. We should probably throw that out. And then this, yung ulam namin yesterday, wings. Tapos, these were from last week also. We should probably throw these out. And then, ito from the other day lang. So, these are still good. Sikat lang kumakain ito because I don't like the pineapples. And then, we have Modelo here that has been here for like 2 years already. We don't drink beer. So, nandito lang siya for, potential guests. Pero, uy, expired na siya. And then here, produce. So, we have carrot kasi dapat magja-japchae ako this week. So, gagawin ko na lang yun tomorrow. And then we have onions. Honey mandarins. Ito yung binili namin the other week. Okay pa siya kasi nasa fridge siya. And these are so good. We have raisins that we should probably throw out kasi nung nandito pa sila ate yan. And then we have cheese. And then, bok choy kasi nagkare-kare kami last week. Also, we have perfume in here. Wala lang. Kasi sabi nila, dapat daw nasa fridge ang perfume. And then here, eto, bumagsak sa akin to this morning. Tapos, we have honey, ano to? Honey mustard, tapos, mayonnaise, bagoong. And this one, calamansi. Yan, calamansi extract. Tapos may mga, ano kami, yung imitation na Yakult. Then, these are my favorite, drinks. So, we have, I bought a bunch of those kasi hindi ko makita yung, yung 1 liter nila. And then, ito naman yung kay Kat na iniinom niya whenever she remembers. And then we have these. I don't like these flavors. And then this one we just got for free. So, ayun. And then, ewan ko why we have that. I think Kat bought that. I don't know. And then, we have Sprite here kasi pampa-burp pag kumakain ng dinner or need something sweet after. And then, this, kasi nag-drinks kami yesterday. This one, Kat drinks every night. And lactose-free milk. I mean, creamer for coffee. This is really good, guys. So, yeah. Get that one. And that's it. That's it for, meron din soju doon, pero hindi rin namin yun na iinom kasi hindi naman kami mainom talaga. So, yeah, that's the fridge. Wala kami masyadong stuff, actually. Wala kami masyadong foods na ini-store. Although, this one, we bought yesterday kasi ilang days na ako nag-crave and it's super yums. Yeah, yun lang. Ayun si Kat, busy siya, so we're just gonna wash the dishes and then we're gonna get ready for bed because it's already 10:03. Yan na. Okay, so nahugasan na natin ito. And then this is I need to rinse it. Yan. Para malinis din before we sleep. Probably, I don't know. Yan. And then, naging, na namin na magwawatch kami ng especially for you every night for before sleep. But, yeah. That's basically it for today. For today's video. I don't know. We'll see. Sa mga may Apple Watch dyan, add us on fitness so we can compete. Just kidding. Yan. Alright. Mamaya naman ulit. So, this is what our living room looks like pag nighttime na. Yeah. That's it. May light doon, and then may light dyan. May light sa likod ng TV, and then may light yung heater. May light dyan. Puro lights. So, yeah. Good morning. So, on the way to work tayo ngayon. Today is Thursday, almost Friday. But yeah, walking tayo to work today kasi hindi dumating yung bus. And yeah, pero okay lang. Ewan ko ano nangyari dun. Kanina pa ako nasa bus stop. Tapos iniwan na lang ako ng mga kasama ko. Yeah, walking tayo. Maganda naman yung araw. It's sunny. And I think it's supposed to be sunny for the rest of the day. So, good stuff. Ayan yung path ko today. Yan. Ganda, diba? Ganda rin naman mag-walk sa umaga kaso lang medyo late na ako. Because I was waiting for the bus. Na hindi naman dumating. Ay, nako. Anyways, sige, walk muna tayo. Ayan, malapit na ako sa train station. Pero ayun lang yung train talaga. Ayun.
2,000 years later.
Alright, pauwi na tayo guys. Ayan, galing tayo ng station. Walk na tayo here. Another 10 minutes. We usually don't take the bus pag hapon naman. So, hindi na rin ako nag-try pang maghintay. So, yeah. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon kasi si Kat na una na umuwi. Kaya, ayan. Lonely girl. Ganda ng weather. Medyo chilly ng slight pero it's nice. Yan yung train, no? Napakalapit. Wala pang railings. Weird. Hello guys. So, punta tayo ng gym ngayon. On our own again. Kasi this is good. So, yeah. Okay guys, so that is it for today. Napakawalang kwenta ng vlog na to kasi wala naman talaga kaming ganap. Yeah, pero I just want to share, I'm so proud of myself today kasi yung current obsession ko ngayon is my fitness circles on the app. I mean on the Apple Watch. And today I did so well. I did 110 calories, 97 minutes of exercise, and 15 minutes of stand-ups per hour. So it just means na for 15 hours of today, I stood up for a minute each hour. Yun lang. Kakaligo ko lang, as you can tell. Tapos si Kat nag-ready na rin for bed. She's in the shower. And then, yeah, wala naman kasi kami talagang ganap. Especially pag weekdays. Parang same routine lang every day. Mauuna si Kat sa work. Pero starting next week, sabay na kami mag-work in the morning. So, mag-work si Kat, then mag-work ako. And then after work, we're gonna snack dito sa bahay for like maybe 30 minutes, rest a little bit, tapos diretso na kami sa gym. And then, after that, uwi kami, and then we're just gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make dinner. And then lately, Kat's just been busy with like work stuff. Yeah, so wala talaga kaming mga ganap on the weekdays. Kaya hindi kami masyado din nag-vlog on the weekdays. But we just wanted to share a little bit, or I just wanted to share a little bit of what we do, or what I go through for like 2 days. Yeah, yun lang naman. Also, I edited, I configured, basta iniba ko yung keyboard ko, yung colors niya, yung keycaps. Let me show you. So, it is right here. So this used to be all white and now there's pink. Isn't it so pretty? Look. Yan. And then look at the tiny faces. And then my star. Cute. Itong dalawa, I still need to change these because hindi ko pa napagde-decidean kung ano yung keys na ilalagay ko dyan. So yeah, it's so nice. You guys wanna hear what it sounds like? Because it sounds good. ASMR. Yeah. Also, itong itong Apple Watch, free to from RBC. Kasi pag nag-open ka ng account dun sa RBC, and then I think you have to do one direct deposit, tapos 2 automatic bill payments. You're gonna get an Apple Watch. So Kat got an Apple Watch from our benefits. Tapos this one we got from RBC. So both of us have Apple Watches now, and both are free. So that's pretty cool. This is the series, I don't know, series 9, I think. I don't know. Pero free lang lahat ng things namin usually. Yan. Yeah. Yun lang. So thanks for watching. And kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, subscribe if you want. No pressure. But yeah, we're gonna head to bed pretty soon. It's already almost 11, and so we gotta head to bed because tomorrow both of us are gonna go to work at 7, and it's gonna be a long day. So happy Friday!